Hey everyone, it has been a very long week here in the Cintron household. We have closed 2 shows, opened 1 show, another show is going to open next week, and then another show the following week. So it's a little crazy here, but it's the holidays, and that is our like personal actor life happening right now. Today is a catch-up day. I have a half day off. I actually don't get an actual day off until November 28th, and my last day off was, I'll pop it on the screen. I'll look at my calendar for you just to give you all an idea of just how overwhelmed we are. Well, whelmed. I wouldn't say overwhelmed, whelmed. But today we are playing catch up. We are going to run some errands. We are going grocery shopping, and we are also going to try and create some Christmas content for you all. We are going to decorate our tree, maybe set up a little holiday bar, just see what we can get done for you all. All right, let's go. We are on our way home to go ahead and put all of our groceries away. We got some Christmas lights, and Chance had a really good idea. I have to give him full credit. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but we will show you later on in the video. I'm not really sure how we're going to do it just yet, but we're going to figure it out. I think it's going to be so cool, so creative. And the other thing that I think is just so special about it is that it's very custom to our home, you know? But we had a good idea. We're excited to get started on that, but we are going to meet some friends for some brunch at a local restaurant here. I don't think it's a corporate thing. It's not a chain, right? Yeah, it's not a chain. So we're gonna go to brunch with some of our friends, but we have to drop off our groceries first, and then when we get back from brunch, then we're getting down to work. Definitely gonna be up super late editing this video, but that is okay.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this. Cause it's Christmas time, and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree.
Here is a close-up shot of how I fold my plastic bags. They take up less space when I fold them, and because this is so tedious, it kind of encourages me to remember to bring my reusable bags to the store more often. Also, here is my winter candle that I got from Aldi. It was no less than $5, but no more than $7, but either way, a great deal. I don't exactly remember the price, and it's even cheaper than Bath & Body Works candles, even when they're on Candle Day sale.
Let your love keep shining, and for always be remembered. Cause it's Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night.
In case y'all didn't know, Target has the cutest Christmas mugs for just $5 this year. The gingerbread one is my favorite. Alright, so you can't tell from far away, but our coffee maker is absolutely disgusting. So I need to go ahead and clean this out. And then this tray is the worst part of it all. This top layer needs to be cleaned. But also, look at this. Look at this. How did we even let it get this bad? Disgusted. We need to clean this.
It's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Why you left something for me, yeah, under the Christmas tree. Baby, come on.
is our 6-foot flocked Christmas tree. This tree has a wild story, but before we get too far into that, let's start decorating it. We are going in with some LED lights from Target. We had to buy all new lights this year because our old ones finally died out on us. If there is any advice you take from this video, please put your Christmas lights up on your tree while they are plugged in. Chance didn't do that before in the last video, and then he had to take them off because we didn't know that some of them had died out on us. So avoid the problem altogether and just keep them plugged in as you light your tree.
Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
Alright y'all, I kind of had an oopsie and I bought 2 different boxes of lights. So you can see the bottom ones don't twinkle, but then the ones up here do twinkle. And I really like the twinkling, so I'm leaving it for now. But I'm probably going to go ahead and exchange out the bottom set of lights tomorrow. But for the sake of the video, they're staying. And then this is what it looks like. I kind of think it needs more lights. I don't know. This sounds silly because there are 3 strands of lights on there, but it might look better once all the ornaments are on there.
In the highest, come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
We're kind of at a standstill with the Christmas tree right now. It's looking pretty cute, but it also looks really neutral and simple. We're about to add some of our like quote unquote special ornaments. Special ornaments are basically like the non-bulb kind of ornaments. We have some memory ones. We have some that we just bought because they were cute and they matched our theme. So Chance is sleeping on the couch right now, so I'm just gonna wake him up because I know that this is one of his favorite parts. And then we're gonna put the star on the tree. In another video, we are going to be decorating the 4-foot tree that we put in the bedroom, and that's gonna have all of our memory ornaments that we will share with you in another video. But let's go wake Chance up. My sweet, sweet husband. You want to finish the tree?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm sorry I woke you.
It's okay.
Oh, hi, Winnie. Hi, Miss Winnie. Did you come to wake Dad up?
She's purring.
Yeah, you can barely see her.
Yeah, she blends in with me.
One of the final touches is the star on top of the tree, and here is the final result for our living room Christmas tree. But let me tell you that this tree does not last long, and you will all find out why in the next video. We have more things to do for the tree, but for now, let's work on our coffee bar in the kitchen. We bought some Holiday Jordan skinny syrup to try out. They're fun for sure, but I don't see us repurchasing this holiday set. It just wasn't our favorite, but we do use their normal flavors all year round. We love the normal salted caramel bottle, so if you ever see that, highly recommend to buy that up.
My Christmas, our Christmas. Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Don't you think that the holidays should be all about love? Mulled wine by the fireplace.
the tree, we have some pines and flocking to clean up before we add the tree skirt. So let's go ahead and vacuum it all up.
Hoping you'll take this ride. Do you wanna make plans with me for Christmas night? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your
Here's our one last look at this tree before it is gone, but we'll talk more about that in the next video. I will see you all then. Bye.